Welcome to the PIERRE Academy. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up an RFID with a fingerprint access control system. First, let's take a look at the device. On the back of the device, under the cover, you can find information about what each wire is for. We start by wiring it up. First, we'll connect the red wire to the 12 volts power supply. Then we connect the black wire to the ground. Next, the white wire goes to pin 8, the green wire goes to pin 7, and the yellow wire, which handles the feedback, goes to pin 6. The feedback wire can be connected to any pin from 1 to 6. Next, we'll wire the fingerprint sensor. The blue wire goes to the 12 volt power supply, and the purple wire goes to pin 1 in our case. We then power up the system. Now, with the power on, the indicator light on the device will turn on, confirming it's getting power. After confirmation, we open the Partner app. We'll select the controller, then go to the Configurable I/O section. We choose Add and select RFID Access Control from the list. We label it as RFID, pin D0 as pin 7, D1 as pin 8, and the feedback as pin 6. We submit the configuration. Then we add a virtual door to test the system. We label it as Door, select the role as Academy and the dashboard as Academy, and choose the virtual pin. We submit the setup. We can now see the Automation tab. We click on it and then add a new automation. From there, we choose the existing I/O and select the RFID reader we just added. Make sure it is set to active, then hit Save. Finally, click Done. Next, we'll move to the Input section. We added the new contact sensor and labeled it as Fingerprint. Select the role as Academy, the dashboard as Academy, and assign pin 1. After that, we need to assign it to the door. First, go to Outputs, then click on the door, followed by Automations. After that, select Add New Automation, then add existing I/O and choose the contact sensor named Fingerprint and set to unlock when closed. We'll submit it and go back to the user app. Now let's first test the RFID. To add a new RFID card, go to the Profile after the Token section and select Add New Token. We select New RFID Card and hold the card to the back of the phone for the app to register. After registration, we'll save the card, then head back to the dashboard. In a moment, the card will be added and we can test it. The door should open as soon as the card is detected. Now we set up the fingerprint. There are two ways: admin card or password code. We will add the fingerprint using a card. First, you need to tap your personal card to the RFID reader to enter programming mode. Then need to press 1. Then, tap your finger 3 times. And after that, tap the card again. After registering the fingerprint, you'll see that the door will open automatically once the correct fingerprint is scanned. If we scan a different fingerprint or use a non-registered card, nothing will happen. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.